Imagine describing your dream photo in just a sentence, and within seconds, watching it materialize before your eyes. No more wrestling with Photoshop layers or spending hours on endless tweaks. This is the promise of Nano Banana, the mysterious artificial intelligence quietly transforming creative spaces. Nano Banana is believed to be part of Google's Gemini artificial intelligence ecosystem, and it is an advanced image editing model designed for both text-to-image and image-to-image transformations. Today, we are diving deep into what makes Nano Banana so powerful and how you can use it to elevate your content, business, or brand. So, what makes Nano Banana different from other artificial intelligence editors like MidJourney, Stable Diffusion, or DALL? First, there is speed. Nano Banana can render edits in just 1 to 2 seconds, while other platforms often take 30 to 60 seconds for similar tasks. Consistency is another standout feature. Most artificial intelligence tools struggle to keep characters or branding uniform across edits, but Nano Banana excels at this. If you create a mascot once, you can reuse it in new settings without losing quality. Its multi-turn memory means you can make a series of edits, changing backgrounds, adding accessories, tweaking colors, and Nano Banana remembers the context, applying changes without breaking the image. Plus, it blends edits naturally, so the results look authentic, not artificial intelligence glitched. Let's talk about how Nano Banana can fit into your world. For content creators, it can turn ordinary selfies into professional brand shots and generate consistent avatars for platforms like YouTube, TikTok, or Instagram. E-commerce sellers can skip expensive product photo shoots by uploading one product image and then changing backgrounds, lighting, and styles with simple prompts. Marketers and agencies can generate multiple ad creative variations in seconds. Students and educators can visualize concepts for projects or presentations, while storytellers and authors can create character art and scene illustrations that remain consistent across chapters. If your work involves visuals, Nano Banana saves you time, money, and creative headaches. Let's walk through a quick example. Suppose you upload a portrait photo. Your first prompt: place this person in a futuristic neon city. Nano Banana completes it in 2 seconds. Next, you say, change the outfit to a cyberpunk jacket with glowing accents. The artificial intelligence remembers the same face and applies the new outfit seamlessly. Finally, you prompt, make it look like a comic book cover. Instantly, you get a stylized image that still looks like the same character. Other artificial intelligence tools might give you 3 completely different-looking characters, but Nano Banana keeps consistency intact throughout the process. No tool is perfect, so let's keep it real. Nano Banana's strengths include lightning-fast editing, strong character and brand consistency, multi-turn editing for complex workflows, and simple text prompts that require minimal technical knowledge. However, it is still experimental and not officially branded as a Google product yet. Complex edits can sometimes blur tiny details, and faces may degrade if you push through too many layers of changes. Access is also limited. You need Gemini or Imogen to experiment with it. Despite these limitations, Nano Banana is already a game changer for digital creatives. Why should businesses pay attention to Nano Banana? Speed to market is a major advantage, as it allows campaigns to launch faster by cutting down design cycles. Cost efficiency is another benefit, saving thousands on stock photos, photo shoots, and revisions. Personalization becomes effortless, enabling the creation of hyper-specific visuals for niche audiences. Most importantly, brands can keep mascots, logos, or spokesperson visuals consistent across all platforms. In the coming years, businesses that embrace artificial intelligence-powered creative pipelines will outpace those relying solely on traditional design workflows. Nano Banana could be the secret advantage. Looking ahead, Nano Banana is poised to redefine content creation. As artificial intelligence evolves, expect real-time collaboration, where teams edit visuals together inside artificial intelligence tools. The logic behind Nano Banana could soon generate three-dimensional avatars for augmented and virtual reality. Imagine editing YouTube thumbnails, Google Docs, or slides with Nano Banana integrated directly. It is not just about editing photos, it is about transforming the entire creative process. Whether you are an artist, entrepreneur, or content creator, Nano Banana has the potential to revolutionize how you bring your ideas to life.